When it comes to home improvements, homeowners in Lafayette often seek projects that offer a strong return on investment. Among these projects, window replacement is one of the most effective ways to not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of a home but also increase its market value. Whether you are preparing to sell your home or simply want to make a wise investment in your property, upgrading your windows can have a significant impact on both the functionality and value of your home. Enhanced curb appeal. The first thing potential buyers notice when they approach a home is its curb appeal. Windows play a major role in this visual impression. Replacing outdated or worn-out windows with modern, stylish options can instantly refresh the exterior of a home. Whether you choose energy-efficient vinyl windows, elegant wood frames, or sleek aluminum designs, new windows can create a more inviting and attractive look, drawing more attention from prospective buyers. The improved curb appeal can give your home a competitive edge in the local Lafayette real estate market. Homes with aesthetically pleasing windows often stand out from the competition and can lead to quicker sales. In Lafayette, where the real estate market is diverse, appealing to buyers' preferences for design and functionality is key. Increased energy efficiency. Lafayette's climate can be unpredictable, with hot summers and cooler winters, making energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. Old or poorly insulated windows can contribute to energy loss, leading to higher utility bills. Replacing these windows with energy-efficient models can drastically reduce heating and cooling costs by preventing drafts and enhancing insulation. In addition to the immediate savings on energy bills, energy-efficient windows are often seen as a long-term investment. They help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, making the home more comfortable year-round. In Lafayette, where homeowners are increasingly conscious of energy conservation and environmental impact, investing in windows with ENERGY STAR certification can be a selling point that appeals to eco-conscious buyers. Improved home security. Another factor that can increase the value of your home in Lafayette is enhanced security. Older windows with flimsy locks or cracked glass may leave your home vulnerable to break-ins. By replacing windows with newer models designed for better security, such as those with reinforced frames or multi-point locking systems, homeowners can enjoy peace of mind knowing their property is safer. Homebuyers are often willing to pay more for properties that offer enhanced security features. In Lafayette, where neighborhood safety is a top concern for many, installing windows that provide an extra layer of protection can make your home more appealing to buyers and increase its market value. Reduced maintenance costs. Over time, windows can become difficult to maintain. Wooden frames may need to be repainted, or old seals may need to be replaced. By opting for replacement windows made from low-maintenance materials, such as vinyl or fiberglass, homeowners can save both time and money on upkeep. New windows often come with long-term warranties, further reducing the financial burden of repairs. This aspect of window replacement is particularly appealing to potential buyers, as they are often looking for homes that require less immediate maintenance. In a competitive market like Lafayette, where buyers are focused on value and convenience, Offering a home with windows that don't need constant upkeep can make your property more attractive. Higher resale value. Perhaps the most significant way window replacement impacts home value is through its effect on resale prices. Studies have shown that replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient ones can result in a significant return on investment, ROI. On average, homeowners can expect to recoup a substantial portion of the cost of window replacement when selling their home, with some studies indicating that you may recover over 70% of the initial cost through the increased sale price. For homeowners in Lafayette, where property values are steadily increasing, investing in window replacement is a smart way to boost your home's resale potential. Buyers are often willing to pay a premium for homes that have been updated with high-quality, energy-efficient features, and new windows are one of the easiest ways to achieve this. Conclusion. In Lafayette, window replacement offers a compelling way to improve your home's value while enhancing its aesthetics, energy efficiency, and security. Whether you're looking to sell your home or simply want to enjoy the benefits of an upgraded living space, new windows can make a significant difference. From reducing energy costs to improving curb appeal, investing in window replacement is a smart choice that can lead to a more valuable and marketable property.